Welcome to our Industry Premium Portal tutorial. In this video, we will have a look on an extra feature. The Industry Premium Portal is linked to the Siemens Database. This connection allows access to files of your installed base, which have already been uploaded on another place, like the platform My Registration. With that, you can access the data you've already uploaded to the Siemens database, also in the Industry Premium Portal and vice versa. Let's have a look at our function assets. Here, for example, you can easily assign already uploaded data to a location within your tree structure. In this example, we have created our tree structure and want to import an asset file. Here you can see your already defined location. If you want to use a file from your Siemens database, click Import Assets. And you can assign your available files to the corresponding node with only one click. The connection to the Siemens database creates another convenient way to link already uploaded files to the Industry Premium Portal. Not sure how to create a tree structure in the Industry Premium Portal? Then check out our demo video on asset management.